Wanna run come. Yes, school a start. Yeah, we do um arithmetic and English. Yeah, wanna sit on the board up there, yeah. So wanna come in and sit down. Some of them go at the back of the class, though, at the front of the class, at the side of the class. I don't know if to put some on, but I know some on very bright. Know me I talk about here, I do me code up things, yeah. Parabola go on here over here when I call no names, yes. So yeah, so go, students, go and shout it over the fence them, yeah, and everywhere. That Urian, yeah. Yes, in money nice now, yes. And it is hurting a few people, very minority head up at the moment, yeah. So yeah, where shall I start from now? I did see the little thing from a few days back, yes, but yesterday let me see something say Urian was on YouTube, but we never see the live. Me see the dead, yes, and it was showing around in school, class, or college, or whatever you call it. Yeah, we're showing us around it and so forth. But when was it? Maybe yesterday. Me did peep over the fence. Fireman can stop a little peeping now and again. Can me did peep because of something that they go on the weekend and me talk, me peep and hear what them have to say. And them always have something to say. But me not going at that today. Yeah, we not talk about that anyway. We are talk about bad mind, yeah. We don't want to talk, going to what them say. So me look over there. And it wasn't alive, it was a dead. Me see one dead over there and me thought, let me listen because me thought, wow, me like that topic because it's a very positive topic. Me see up, yeah, the caption was very positive. It said, let us share this teenager plea. And this is a case that really needs charity. So me thought, wow, it look like my lady into charity now. She could do charity. Yeah, because normally she always say, people too beggy and this and that and that I know as well. So me thought, let me listen. So when we start to listen, she never start on that straight away. Mm-hmm. So me move it along as you do. So me move it along. Me can't listen to such a long thing. So me move it along. And me hear she talk about the young lad. Mm-hmm. Them have them something say him in America. Him there Jamaica and some me don't know how them I say because me see me over there me see him and them are saying them not seeing her in class and all kind of something they were saying here. The false narrative that they have to put out there. So and I think she mentioned something they have few channel and she like to use that word and so forth. And I'm thinking, well, you can have many channels as you want on YouTube. Anyway, you can have more than one channel, it don't matter, yes. So me just kiss my teeth and me wow. Me can't listen to them. If I find it difficult to listen to them for long anyway. So I don't know how some of these fans sit down over there and listen to that. And agreeing with all these things. You know what I mean? The delusional stories and the things them they make up at times. So and that me thought. But me never bother talk about it. Me thought me can't even bother if it go there. But when me see Urian come on now and I show things me thought, yeah. So you could quite clearly see say him in Canada in a school and him having him ID around him neck and so forth and so on and so on. I'm going all that. But anyway, we thought maybe go over England, go look over fear fence, SD. So we look over SD fence. And she was going on, Miss one caption with something about the lady down at 200 minus 101. You know, do the maths here. And she said, that the woman, I say, both sharing page and something, and she said, she share people page and she have nothing against nobody and Tada knows also. I thought, but you don't share TC and LB page though. You wouldn't share their page. And I'm thinking, which part in the class must I put this woman? Why would she share TC and LC page? I was thinking to myself, that don't make sense. Anyway, me thought. And then she go on further on to say that, she was going on and talking about things them as usual. She talked about the lady. I'm thinking to myself, really? I'm not saying everything she said was wrong, but I was just looking at it to say, really? You're using this woman content, you're playing her voice, and at the same time, you is actually bashing her. It don't make sense to me. But I know she did do that with the man over England, to the man of the kingdom. She did using content, and then when he said I go strike her, she started to cuss and say my box of food out of people mouth, and she went on a rampage. So me thinking to myself, I really don't understand these people, I don't understand them. Because there is an issue. I was looking at 3 of them. Yeah, the 3 of them, yes. And and I'm thinking there's an issue because the other lady TC say, me see when me not pass the man there, me see one they could capture, because me not really catch film like because in private them, but me did see one something that go on and me talk, maybe people over there, me never stop long again. And me hear in my stream TC live and she a cuss and she a go on and she a talk about Maxine coming out on her page and she a say the lady no deserve. I don't know if I hear somebody here. I'm here over TCP. She said the woman don't deserve it. Yeah. And so I look on her, you can tell she's clearly depressed. Yes. I think them all's got some depression going on. And she said, the lady don't deserve it. Don't deserve the thing what she gets, yeah. I'm thinking, so is this bad mind? Because the SD was saying everything the lady don't only 200 minus 101 say people bad mind her. And you're trying to reflect on the whole thing and you're thinking, are we really using bad mind too much, yeah, in our vocabulary, really? And I think to myself, but you have to use it, because if you're gonna keep going on and you're gonna say somebody don't deserve things, and you're gonna keep slamming people and going on about them, to me, the things them do at times, it quite clearly prove, say, it's evident, say there's bad mind, grudgeful, envy, something going on there, so, yeah. So we say beg, yeah. Them beg here, them bad mind, envy, and grudge people for them things, yes. So, yeah, because you can't just keep, like, for example, now, the one them LB and people them when the donation they come through and they receive them, they mean that say fake stuff and all and something, but they never yet come out and say. Because LB say, if anything, she go say she wrong. She never yet come out and say she wrong, yeah. And they never come out. When something like this now, you see them drying at them shell, yeah. Because I look over the fence this morning and I don't see no sound or sight of them. Yeah, so then drying at them shell and then say nothing, them go missing for days. And then they move on to another topic. So they never come out and say, oh, we was wrong or whatever, but everything the woman do don't know. So it's always a negative, yeah, it's always negative. There's never anything positive. So that's why I'm saying a bad mind, them bad mind, yes. Because something, one little thing me say, me don't want to touch it, but my mouth go make me trouble it, Me see over pan the man the wall, the man in the dark wall. When put up something about TC and charity. Yeah, so it look like so she did want to do charity in the past, yeah. And that me I go say look like say them all. No all. TC, maybe LB, me don't know, but TC they want to run charity because me know say she want to do charity a few years ago when she collect money for Sharika. But one of that little somebody always I run up in my comment section a few times I mentioned say she did collect some money for some school. Allegedly for a man I go say. Yeah, me don't know if I true or false, me just ask the question because them always run out and say people are scammers. So this person say she collect some money for some school down Trelawney, and every time she approach, every time she not live and she asks about the money, TC shut her live down and run off her live. Me don't know if I true or false, me just ask the questions. I'm wondering if that's why some of the bad man stem from, because as soon as such lady 200 minus 101 go on our platform, she get a lot of donation. Yeah, she got some very faithful follow, a lot of faithful followers, so she get money like that. So maybe that is what, not maybe, I think that's what's causing the problem. Yeah, I'm gonna say anyway. A fine woman don't talk and she's out.